Triple BY is trending. It gained at 12.79% on Friday, the 5th of September 2025. Its underlying trend is a bullish one. It has been printing higher prices since May the 8th of this year, 2025. You may have heard that, or you probably know that the ticker Triple BY has now been reactivated. Yeah, there seemed to be some confusion as well. Overstock acquired the intellectual property of the then Triple BY Bed Bath and Beyond, so it has now reactivated it as of last month. So there's also a couple of other things going on there. There's a company associated with Overstock, which is now uh, Triple BY or Bed Bath or Beyond Inc., as the case may be. So some believe that with the connection between the two, Tzero and Overstock, there might be a chance that T0's platform may be used to help address the some manipulations concerning share settlement and naked shots and all that stuff. Some also believe that Ryan Cohen might have a hand in the new entity or the new in the what's the current the current phase, the current chapter of this whole of this new entity and all that. Some also, speculating or hoping that maybe some of the physical stores that used to be Bed Bath and Beyond may be reopened. So but some are also saying that they could be amongst all of this, there might be some hype playing up. You know, so let's just see how things go. Underlying trend is a bullish one. Strength is expected to remain in place up till Tuesday the 9th. Then after that, we may go into a consolidation, and it's more of a distributive contraction, as a matter of fact. Distributive contraction. Yeah. Unless, okay, well, I'm trying to see. No, there hasn't been a lot of there hasn't been much expansion here, but it mustn't be a massive expansion for a contraction to happen. But that's what's being extrapolated here. Projections are saying 5.14, 5.86, 7.01. Intraday high at some point early last month was around 10.73. So we can have a look here and see 10.74. Yes, indeed, was it printed on the 10th, sorry, on the 15th of August. And on that day as well, projections were up all the way towards 11.37. Price pressure momentum is saying that the 10 and 21 day moving averages are in strong trend modes. However, they have some negative derivatives indicating that if there were some buying pressure, it is no longer that forceful. It has lost some of its edge. It may be declining. It may run out of steam. Possibly the reason why we are looking at the prospects of a pullback, a contraction. Okay, let's see what we have on the weekly chart. The good thing about the weekly chart, even though one might argue that it may not be transferable, we what is based the extrapolations on this chart on these charts are usually good between 1 to 5 points, 1 to 5 extrapolations. Here we have 30 extrapolations going all the way towards the next 30 weeks. This is all the way towards Monday the 16th of March. However, if the assumption or yeah if there's assumption that extrapolations from between 1 to 5 weeks are a lot more reliable, then it's good to have a look at this extrapolation on the weekly chart. It's saying that from now on, it's going to be lower prices. So by Monday, the 22nd of September, we're looking at the prospects of lower prices. Okay, but there's no guarantee that that will be the case. A lot can happen, and what happens in the 1 minute chart fits into the hourly charts, and what happens, the hourly chart fits into the daily chart, and what happens in the daily chart fits into the weekly chart. So, in as much as there is this assumption that the extrapolations might be good over a very few points ahead, it does not mean that that would also be the case. It does not mean that even the next extrapolation, this will be the next extrapolation here will be probably next, but it's just tomorrow, the 8th of September. There's no guarantee that that will be the case, you know. So in any case, we have a couple of projections, down projections, upper projections: 1.09, 2.63, 5.13, 9.17, 11.32, 12.65. Yeah. So the stock is currently trending, and let's see how things go. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.